Buongiorno. Another no nonsense. I'm just going through my entire bag now, and giving my 2 pennies on certain things like these Ursa straps for different. So holding a wireless device on different sections of your body. They're very useful. They're not fantastic. I'm not going to get in. Well, I say not. After the last few years of using them, I have found that realistically they're only really decent for when you've got a talent who's wearing a dress and therefore they haven't got anywhere to clip onto. So from that point of view, it's very useful. In terms of like your average person, when you're doing documentaries and commercials and stuff, they're just not worth the hassle because people find them very awkward to get on. They don't put them on tight enough, which means you have to bear hug them to do it for them. And they don't put it on tight enough, which means that they start sagging, and actually they cause more trouble than they're worth. That's just realistic. However, I wouldn't not have them because people turn up in all sorts of garments in the commercial world, and you just never know what you're going to get. And you have to have various ones. I've got an ankle one. I've got a thigh. I've got the waistband ones. I've also got the one that holds the microphones, so it goes in there. Again, they sound like such a great idea, like they should work, but you know, for some reason it just doesn't work like that. Well, that for some reason being that people are all different shapes and sizes, and it's just easier. Especially over COVID and stuff like that, people don't want you to touch them that much. So, you know, it's easier to find places to push sticky bits on with your microphone than it is to do these. So, good, worth having, not a be-all and end-all solution.